What's up, guys? Brian back again. Austin Auto Finishes, talking about our collision center. Obviously, we will do anything from a Bentley to a Corolla, but you know we've done the most Teslas in the world, so why not do the body shop part of it too? So, had a client get hit yesterday, not their fault, so we're putting them in a Tesla rental car, no cost to them, but we got a new bumper ordered. We don't mess around. We specialize in a world-class service experience, and so I'm not afraid to order the parts before we expedite the whole kind of process. We handle all the insurance, so we'll take care of all that today with her. But basically, we're going to get a new bumper on this multi-coat white, this pearl white Tesla Model 3. Got a little bit of damage right here, and then obviously some damage down in here. So being so close, pearl white, we need to blend the doors so the mirror come off, all of that. Stay tuned. We're going to show you all of it. It's all about the prep, when you want to be the best. So reach out to us, Austin Auto Finishes, got our body shop. We'll knock it out of the park. We'll handle all the insurance. Peace, love, Austin Auto Finishes.